strengthen people-to-people ties and open a new chapter of peace with Pakistan. Vajpayee himself travelled on its inaugural journey, carrying a message of friendship across the Wagah border. Just 2 days later, on 21 February, Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Pakistan's Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif signed the Lahore Declaration. The agreement committed both nations to reducing tensions, promoting dialogue, respecting the line of control, and resolving disputes through peaceful means. India honored every commitment it made. Pakistan chose betrayal. Even as the ink on the Lahore Declaration had barely dried, elements of the Pakistani military were secretly executing Operation Badr. Under the cover of the harsh Himalayan winter, when several high-altitude posts became difficult to maintain because of extreme weather, Pakistani troops and terrorists quietly crossed the line of control as part of Operation Badr. Their objective was clear: to occupy strategic heights in Kargil, Dras, Mushko and Batalik, threaten the Srinagar-Leh highway and alter the status quo through deception rather than open warfare. But every betrayal has its expiry date. On 3rd May, alert local shepherds noticed unusual movement and informed the Indian Army. What followed wasn't merely a military operation. It became a story of unmatched courage. India launched Operation Vijay. The Indian Air Force joined with Operation Safed Sagar, delivering devastating blows in one of the most hostile terrains on earth. The enemy sat on the peaks like cowards, thousands of feet above. Every Indian soldier had to climb near vertical cliffs, carrying heavy equipment under constant enemy fire in freezing temperatures where even breathing became a challenge. Yet they climbed, they fought, they advanced, peak after peak, bunker after bunker, position after position, until the impossible became reality. Then came Tiger Hill. After an intense battle on 4 July, Indian soldiers captured one of the most strategically important peaks, turning the course of the war. From that moment, the enemy's plans began to crumble. Their occupied positions fell one after another. Their gamble had failed. Their deception had been defeated. Finally, on 26 July, Operation Vijay achieved its objective. The intruders were pushed back, every major position was reclaimed, and the tricolor once again flew over India's mountains. 26 July is not just about the celebration of a military victory, but also a salute to the indomitable spirit of the Indian Armed Forces. Kargil also left behind a lesson the world remembers. India's desire for peace must never be mistaken for weakness. Kargil Vijay Divas is not just a chapter in history, it is a reminder that whenever India's unity, integrity and territorial sovereignty are challenged, the nation stands united and its soldiers answer with unmatched courage. Jai Hind.